Welcome to Arty Field Trips. Today, we're venturing deep into the heart of Los Angeles, into a land called the Warehouse District. It's a little scary, but we'll find some friendly creatures in the artwork along the way. Let's follow the murals to a secret speakeasy craft cafe pop-up event. We made it! There were so many amazing pieces of art in this warehouse. They had free coffee. I met lots of fun friends in line. And there was art in every little corner. It was so inspiring. When it was my turn, I got a chaga latte, which was great. They had a whole table of free craft supplies. And when I got to the end of the table, there was this one lone craft kit. And oh my gosh, you guys, this was calling my name. And they were like, we were wondering who was going to take that. And they kind of laughed. And I was like, unicorns are my jam. This is going to be my little dude. You just watch. I'm going to get this figured out. Once I got my craft kit, I headed over to the button station, and I thought because I was having these relaxing, childlike vibes with my craft, you'll see that I purposely made this like childlike portrait of my little unicorn to go on my button. And here's my finished button, and you guys are going to notice that I show this button off a lot in this video, and that's an accident. I'm new at making videos, so just bear with me and enjoy the button. Thank you. And I looked around the room, and everyone was just smiling and talking, and it was so great to meet lots of different people. So many creative people all in one place. Lots of different cool places to sit. I eventually found my spot at the paper crafting table, and I was able to make this cool little collage card. And these nice people were collaging, and this girl sitting next to me, we had a great conversation. And here's what the unicorn kit looks like. In a second, I'm going to go over what was in the kit and everything. And here I am showing off the button again, as I promised. My little collage card, it meant a lot to me because L is my initial of the name I go by, and I grew up by the mountains, so it was really cool to collage that 3-layered landscape with mountains in it. And here's the unicorn kit. It came with some really nice instructions that were really easy to follow. It also had a lot of parts, and it was so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little key fob, like a thing you hang on your tote bag or something, but it was actually doll sized. And for a children's kit, if you're interested in the kit, it's actually pretty complicated. It says for ages 8 and up, but I would say a responsible 8-year-old or maybe 10 and up, because this was not simple. I didn't have enough time at the event to finish my little unicorn, so I then went on to another coffee shop, and here is what I got done. I got it all laid out to kind of come up with a game plan to finish him up. This is what the back looks like. He's got layers of hair, and here I am stitching it up. And you know, it was funny being that lady in the Starbucks doing a weird kids craft, but I think you have to unleash the inner child if you're creative. I do a lot of other artwork that's in a lot of other styles. I do some crafts that I really stress out over, and I try to really work hard, but this one was just fun and relaxing, and it didn't matter if I messed up, and I could just use my imagination about making a little friend for myself, and I think we all need that. It was very stress relieving to kind of go back in time and do something fun like this. And here is the finished little dude. It's so cute. Thank you so much for coming on this field trip with me. If you enjoy arty field trips, then please like and subscribe. See you next time.